Hi guys, welcome back. So I went for grocery shopping. That should be in another vlog of a day in my life, but in this particular vlog we are going to be unboxing what I bought. Okay, like grocery haul. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this video with me. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not, share it, comment. I would have used my mic, but I am charging my phone and the space for using the mic is my charging point, so I can't use my mic, so I'm going to be doing this without mic. Yeah, so we're going to start it up right now. Like I have a lot of things. I did a lot of, this is like a huge grocery shopping. Yeah, because everything in my house finished, so I had to restock everything. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video with me, and let's get started. So we're going to start with the meats. Okay, these are all meats. I got chicken. So it's chicken wings, chicken leg, chicken thighs, like everything that they sell. Chicken leg, they'll break everything, but now they're selling the thighs. They never sell thighs before, but now they sell thighs. Minced meats. I got 3 packs of minced meats. 3. Another chicken leg. So I got 3. I got 2 packs of chicken leg, 1 chicken thigh, and 1 chicken wings. Then chicken breast. I got this chicken breast. I got 1, 2, 3, 4 of that. Then I bought beef. This is beef. I got beef, 1 beef. Then I bought this beef stir fry in case of madam early morning to prep, maybe like fried rice or jollof rice. I can use this, or spaghetti or pasta. I can use this to prep it for her sharp. And I bought this minced vegetable. I got some yogurt because it's been a while I have bought yogurt in this house. Why? I don't know why, but I got 2 yogurts. These 2. I got cooking cream. I bought this Bwwm. I don't know if this one is good. I saw this one, I bought it. I did not see the normal Bwwm they used to sell. I got garlic, just 1 bunch. Like this 1 bunch can last me a whole 1 month because I don't really use garlic like that to cook. I also have grounded garlic, so if this one is finished, I can use my grounded one. So the next item, I got coffee for hubby. He does not take he take this rich aroma and smooth taste. Does not take the decaf, like the blended coffee. Does not like decaf. What's the difference between decaf and this one? No. So I got us new sponge because our old sponge is time to change. So I got this one for hubby. I got this one for madam. And I got this for myself. Then I decided to change my what do they call it again? My soap. Decided to get this one. This 5.5 mixed argan oil plus 24 karat gold age rewinding shower gel, anti-aging sagging firming solution. Nothing they sag for my body. I beg you. Soften and looks for cellulite and dimple, whatever, lifting and. So this is what it looks like. Also, this never spoil. So where the thing did like this, I think the thing don't break. Check expiring date. 2026. Okay. So So this is what it looks like, and yeah. So let's get to the next ones. In here I have half plate of egg. This is egg. Keep this one aside. And here is half plate of Indomie. Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. I can't do it 21. It's 40 pieces now. Okay. 40 pieces times 2. Well, I don't know how to count the Indomie, but this is half plate of Indomie. Alright. More things on. I got this smoked chicken. Ever since my sister introduced me to this smoked chicken, I've been obsessed. Madam has come out from school. Let me go pick her up. Madam has come back. So this is the chicken. I got this one. I got sausage, like 2. Madam, come down. Come out of school uniform. So I got cornflakes. This one. This is cornflakes. Yes, it's for you. I got juice.
For me.
Mia, don't come and block my video.
And the juice is for me.
I got oil. Yes, the juice is free. I got spaghetti. 1, 2. I got some
Fish.
tuna fish. I got peas. Even though I got jollof peas, I still got this one.
Now put that one down.
Mia, remove your head. Remove your head. I got wine. You eat. I got this croissant. It's like this thing. Yeah, croissant. Then I got cheese, mozzarella cheese. And I got smoked ham. And I got these waffles. Give me. I got these ones from Amingo because I went to 3 different shops. I went to Spa, I went to Amingo. That is, Amingo is before, their name is before it's Amingo, like if you know, you know. But now their name now is For You Supermarket. Okay, I went there. That was my first stop.
I went to school.
Yeah, you went to school.
You're not following me.
No. I went alone, baby. Then I went to another shop called Classic. That was the 3 shops I went to. So I'm not yet done. I still have like 2 more bags to unbox. Me, remove your head from there. Remove your head. I will beat you. At least I wanted to do this thing before you come out from school, so you will not stress me. Remove your head from there now. I got tissue. Yes. Come on, Shingai for Siso. I got Omo.
Tissue for clear.
I got Morning Fresh.
For washing hands.
For washing hands and plates. I got Harpic. Harpic is for what?
Washing toilet.
Yeah, it's good to get for washing toilets. I got this bed leaves. I know you are looking at it because you don't want to collect it. And I got my syrup for my face, my vitamin C syrup. I got, remove your head though, madam. Toothpaste. Madame's perfume.
For me.
Yes.
What do you put for me?
I got it for you. And so this is our last bag. In here has a lot of jugs inside. Just that's it. I bought munchies, a lot of munchies, because we like munchies in our house. I got M&M.
For me.
Not only for you, you and your papa, but people like junk. I got another munchies. I bought this chocolate. I got this biscuits. I got another small biscuits. I got another chocolate. Munchies. Munchies. Chocolate. Remove your hand from this. I got this pasta. This penne pasta. I got this penne pasta.
Penne pasta. Pasta.
Then, okay, I can make penne pasta with this smoked ham and cooking cream for you people this night. I can have strength. Then I got this thing, what do you call it? Chocolate.
Oh.
I got another small biscuit. All these biscuits and chocolate, they're expensive. They're like this biscuit is 16 naira. I saw biscuit as 16 naira. I got this ketchup. I got oatmeal. Because I love oatmeal, not only you. I got golden one.
It's on me.
Yeah, golden one is for you. I got milk.
Milk for me.
More of M&M.
Oh yeah.
Mia. I got this, my tea. I got soya tomato. I'm in love. Oh. I got soya tomato because it's red. Like if you can cook, it's always red. So I fell in love with it. I got soya tomato. I got Milo.
Vanilla.
Yes, for me. I got this twist spaghetti pasta. Pick what? Don't worry, I'll pick it. I got another chocolate. I got another M&M and that munchies. And the last thing is spaghetti. And that's all the hauls I got today. That's everything I bought today. Let me give you people a more close listing. We're starting from here. This is everything. Don't break that stuff. Maybe Alana. How are you falling down again?
Rabbit.
So these are everything I got, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video with me. In my thoughts in the comment section, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. So yeah, this is everything, and I'll see you all in the next one. I'm going to continue my day in my life by arranging all this stuff, so you can catch me over there. Either that one come up before this particular one, or this one come up before that one. I don't know, but anyhow, I'll see you guys later.
Bye.